Hello everybody, this is Akansh Suman here. Now we are going to solve the questions based on the velocity diagram. In the question it is given that a 4 bar mechanism shown in figure, the link 2 is rotating clockwise. What is the link 2? That is it. Okay, this is link 1, this is link 2, this is 3 and there is 4. Okay. So the link 2 is rotating clockwise with an angular velocity 20 radian per second. The omega is given. What is given in the question? I am going to write here. That is omega 2 I can write. Okay. Omega 2 is 20 radian per second. The length of the links given in the figure are in mm. The velocity of point C, that means the velocity at point C on the link 4 at a given instant is, you have to find out the velocity, linear velocity, not angular velocity of the link 4. This is the linear velocity of point C on the link 4. Okay, so the given data is omega, it is given, and the length of each link which is given, that is AD is given, that's equal to 200 mm. Okay, so I can convert it into meter. By dividing 1000 you will get 0.2 meter. Okay, and if I'm talking about the CD, you can convert it into meter because the unit is same. In the question it is asking velocity in the meter per second, so you must have to convert length into mm. So that is 0.15 meter, and AD is also given. Okay, but there is no use of AD. Okay, now you have to see, if you draw the diagram, if you try to solve this question using instantaneous center method, it would be a little bit tough because the instantaneous center of AB and CD, that means the AB and CD both are going to intersect to each other at infinitive, because you have to find out the instantaneous center I13 in order to calculate the angular velocity or the linear velocity. But that is a little bit tough to find out the instantaneous center here, that means the intersection of these two links. So we will solve this question using the velocity diagram method. I already told you how to draw the velocity diagram method. Every point having the velocity direction perpendicular to the link. Okay, that is perpendicular to that link, and that is also perpendicular to that link. Okay, now if you draw the velocity diagram, that I'm going to consider this link as a point, that is AD, and already told you that you have to use small letters when you draw the velocity diagram. Okay, so that would be the straight line. That would be the straight line B and C, that is B for and C, and there is another link, that is link 3, having the velocity in the perpendicular direction of the link, that means it is perpendicular to the link, so that would be like that. Okay, now here you can see the velocity B and C are having on the same direction. Okay, they are having in the same direction, that means they are having the same velocity. Whenever you found the link AB and CD perpendicular to the fixed link, you have to draw the velocity diagram, and the diagram you will get like this. That would be the velocity diagram that you will get. Okay, so in that case you can see here VB is equal to VC, you will get. But this is possible only for this type of structure when this is perpendicular to fixed link. Okay, if the structure would be like that, you cannot apply this concept VB is equal to BC. Okay, you have to use these questions using, either you can using instantaneous center method, or you can solve this using the velocity profile method, velocity diagram method. But basically you cannot apply this concept directly VB is equal to VC when you get this type of diagram, whenever there is a theta angle and there is another phi angle. But when theta is equal to phi is equal to 90 degree, okay, like that, then when you draw the velocity diagram, you will get you will get the diagram like that. Okay, this is the velocity diagram. So in that case, you can see here B and C are on the same directions. That means VB is equal to VC, and I can solve this because we have to find out the velocity at point C. Simply VB is equal to R omega, and what is R for? Linked to, this is linked to R is 0.2 meter, that is 0.2, and omega is 20 radian per second, that is given, and we just have to find out VC. So VC you can calculate, that would be the 4 meter per second. If in the question it is asking that find out the angular velocity of the link 4, then you can also calculate the angular velocity using VB is equal to VC, that would be 0.2 multiplied 20 is equal to VC means omega 4 into R is given, that is 0.15. Then you can solve this, you can solve this equations, you will get the final answer, and the answer would be 26.67. That would be the angular velocity. So in the exam they can ask you anything, but just you have to know how to draw the velocity diagram. When you draw the velocity diagram perfectly, you can solve the questions. Whatever be the level of the questions, doesn't matter. Whatever they ask to you in the question, you can answer the questions. But first you have to draw the velocity diagram perfectly. Okay. So for this question, answer is 4 meter per second. The unit must be same. Okay. Don't forget to convert unit. Okay. That is in mm, and in the answer you have to put it into meter per second, so you have to convert mm into meter. So just remember this diagram. And the last gate examination, last year gate exams, they can ask, they generally ask you the questions based on this diagram. So basically you must understand this from engineering service examinations point of view. It is also important.